Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Microsoft Office in Windows 11 and 10 completely. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. And then what you're going to do is just go ahead and type down troubleshoot, okay, MS Office installing. Again, troubleshoot MS Office installing. So just click on it, wait for it to load. And now once it loads, you go ahead and click on the ones from Microsoft itself. Now in here, what you got to do is just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the uninstall button. Okay, it says here problems while trying to install Office. So click on it and click on the box right here that says open get help. Okay, and wait for it to load. Now you can close the browser if you want to. And then in here, just wait for it. And once done, it says here, do we have consent to run this troubleshooter to uninstall Microsoft 365 or Office? Well, just hit on yes. Now it says here uninstalling. Please wait while we attempt to uninstall Microsoft 365 application. And a new window will open to perform the uninstall, and the window will just eventually close. Okay, just wait for it. As you can see here, it says here running Office uninstall. Okay, and once that's done, it will ask you to restart your computer. So just go ahead and restart your computer, and after that, you're good to go. That's how you uninstall Microsoft Office in Windows 11 and 10 completely. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.